Hi guys, welcome to this session in LibreOffice Calc. In this module, I want to show you some simple sums and some do's and don'ts and things you need to be aware of. So I'm going to type some categories in column B. Gas, tax, water, food. That'll do. And then I'll put some figures in there. Like so. Format those to pounds, and then you go. Now to add that up, that's quite a simple process. You just click underneath it and you go in for the sum function, and then that will add those up, which is nothing wrong with that. That is correct. But what you've got to bear in mind is, so if they are, instead of car, gas, tax, etc., these are products, and you want to know how many sales or people's names. So if I just type my name there, Steve, Bill, Ben, Bob, and Anne, say, for example, and these are the sales figures. So these are sales figures, and you might want a quantity there, and then we've got 2 of those, 3 of those, 4 of those, 1 of those, 2 of those. Now quantity, you can just add those up by just pulling that across. But now if you wanted to do a multiplication, let's have a look at that one. So we go equals that times, which is the asterisk symbol, that, tick in that, so that's correct. And I pull that down, that is correct. Now what you can't do is pull it down again to multiply these two, because that would be an inaccurate figure. So if I pull this one across, which is just doing the total, I'll just highlight that column, color that column in greenish. So that's adding up the green column. If I pull that across, that is adding up the total sales based on the quantities. And I'll just put total sales at the top there. So that would be correct. But what you have to be careful of when you're doing anything in any spreadsheet really is, if I delete that off, if I then pull that one down, which is a multiplication, so it's going to multiply these two, you get in a completely different figure. So that's 14,000 if I pull this one across, back across again, or 2,798, which is what these are. So your total sales is 2,798, not 14,000, because you pulled that down and multiplied the total of these and the total by the total of these. That's a totally inaccurate way of doing this, so you have to be really careful of that. That's just going to be making sure you do a sum on the total sales, not a multiplication. And it's very easy to just do that. You just get carried away and just pull the formulas down. It comes up with an answer, so you think that's the right answer, but in this case it is not the right answer. So that's all I want to talk about in this little video, how you can do some simple sums. Be careful when you do multiplication that you don't multiply the totals of the other columns, because that would be inaccurate. So hopefully this little video was of use. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you on the next one.